some soft layered chapatis in 5 minutes with these easy to follow steps. Guys, and welcome back again to Miss K254, and in today's video we shall be making some amazing soft layered chapatis. Have you watched the rest of the videos? If not, worry not, because I've got you covered in this one. So let us get straight into this video. Mix all your dry ingredients together. We start with our flour. So these are 3 cups of flour. We mix salt, sugar, combine them all together, and then start kneading your dough. We're going to be adding some oil, 2 tablespoons, and then you keep kneading. So our dough is perfect. We're going to cover it for 30 minutes and then we come back and continue with our process. We come and check on our dough, and as you can see, the dough is perfect. And this dough is very soft, as you can see. It is very, very soft. Then knead a bit. The most simplest method of making balls. So give this video a thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe to Miss K254. You can also become a member of this channel by clicking on the joining sign for more special packs, and also you can actually buy stickers to show some support. Margarine. So this is margarine, and I'm going to smear some on the dough. Okay, make sure to apply also on the edges, because you do not want your chapatis to dry up. Right? Pour some flour on it. Okay, so then using your knife, cut out. So we are done. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to start folding our balls. So like this, I'm going to use 3 of them, and then I start folding nicely to form a ball. So this is one of the most simplest method that you can have for making soft layered chapatis. And because our dough is very soft, I want to apply some flour on my working area, and then I keep folding or continue folding until I'm done with the rest of the dough. Always have some extra flour with you. Avoid sticking in your hands right over here. So one by one you start rolling out your balls or your chapatis. Always sprinkle some flour on your working area, and then you start rolling slowly and nicely. It's just a warm water, and also use margarine when you're making these balls. Always make sure that your pan is hot enough. So as it cooks, I'm going to roll out another one. And then you turn. Make sure that your pan is well heated. Next one. Okay. And the smell is amazing. The smell is just amazing. already. Very soft. As you can see, they have layers, deliciously made. So if you want to make this recipe, kindly go on the description box and check out the recipe. Make sure to like this video and also leave a sweet comment down below.